We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 358. DRYTRON versus Sky Striker. Lost this one. I lost this one. Emergency. I think I got Nibiru on this one. Alpha Tribute Zeta at Benton. Zeta Benton. At the Ritual. Benton. Diviner. From some Diviner. And he impermed me there. Usually I go for Mubeta Fafnir and then Diviner. Because I always get impermed, so that was a change up, and yeah. Then I went for Mubeta Fafnir dump Delta since I had Gamma in the hand. Delta Gamma, reveal, Ritual Spell or Trap, Ritual Spell Trap or Monster. Alright. Or Ritual Spell or Monster. Okay. Draw a card. Video on DRYTRON. Nibiru. Got nibbed. But the Ritual still went through. Gamma, Tribute Benton, Special Summon Alpha, Benton, add Orange Light. Medium DRYTRON, decrease attack by 1000, add back from grave. Medium DRYTRON for Natasha. Natasha, target the token, gain half its attack. I went for Verte. The effect veilered it, but luckily I had an Orange Light and another fairy to negate the effect veiler. Then I banished a Cyber Angel for Natasha, taking control of Nibiru. Natasha's effect, once again, target the token, gain half the attack. Went for an IP here. Verte. Copy Red Eyes Fusion, pay 2000 for Dracoon. And then his turn, I was going to main phase IP in these three here for a Boral Sword. I think he just scooped here. Yeah. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. But then I lost these two right here. I didn't even know what deck he was playing, so I didn't side in any back row removal. Thought it was Tri Brigade, but then I had a feeling he was playing Sky Striker. Multi-rolled pop, Air Zero, Ray, Kagari, Orange Lit, Eva, Ray's effect, Eva's effect, banish, then I get ashed. For a Shizuku, engage, Shark Cannon. He didn't draw that, right? No, I didn't have 3 spells. End turn. Shizuku end phase, add Shark Cannon. Activate Shark Cannon on end phase to banish. Okay, now he has 3 in there. Multi-roll. What did he set with multi-roll? Another Shark Cannon, so there's 3 Shark Cannons right there. Just hoping for something. Got Alpha Delta, Widow Anchor on Shizuku. Thought he screwed up there, but then he Shark Cannon. Then I was gonna Ghost Spell, Shark Cannon. Again, double Shark Cannons, like 3 Shark Cannons. Thought he had a 3rd one in the grave. Never mind. Got ultimateness. Like just ritualed attack, and it's the best I could do. Ray comes out. Ray's effect, Hagari's effect. What did he add? Engage. And phase multi-roll. What he set? Shark Cannon and Widow Anchor. Engage. Area 0. Does it have 3? No, he still only has 2. I don't know why he engaged right there. Could have probably Shark Cannoned or what's it called? And then engage. Oh no, it was over from here. It's going for the access code. Needle fiber, effect veiler, Celine, effect, get counter, remove the counters, revive veiler, access code. Multi-roll, pop, area 0, special summon Ray. Yeah, this is game right here. Oh! Wow. Game 3 I said in some back row, but no luck. Like, look at the hand here. Jeez. Oh, summon diviner, activate effect. Ash. Jeez, the hand traps. Setting the twin. Best I could do. Terraforming. Area 0. At least he didn't play Mystic Mine. He cycloned my twin twister. Area 0. Area 0 pop. What did he pop there? Thought it was popping something. Oh. Hornet Drones token, Hayate. Battle, Hayate. Attack. Destroy. Gari effect, Hornet Drones. Now there's a Hornet Drone set, Shizuku, and phase. I got the engage now. Okay. Saving this one too. I was saving that one. I was like, okay, well, I'll just set a monster on my turn, saving the Feather Duster. I don't think I was able to use it. Gauge, multi-roll, deactivate the multi-roll. I was like, okay, I will Feather Duster's multi-roll. What did he get for that? Hornet Drones again. But he just went for the kill right here, turn 4. Effect failure. Yeah. So for the access code. Access code, banish, pop, multi-roll, pop, area 0, special summon, token into Hayate, and that's game right here. And then Hayate, oh, got me. He got me. See if we can get his deck here. Deck? No deck. Still don't know How do you private your deck? Didn't ask anybody. We were at 1501, 1483, 181, 181. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.